Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you some spreads from some of my patrons, and then I'm going to create a checklist layout spread inspired by one of theirs. So first, let's check out those photos. What a fun August currently page from Doing Plans. I love the zigzag look with that washi tape on the top and bottom and just the fun bright colors. How could you not smile looking at this page? I just think it's very, very cute. Apparently it's winter in New Zealand right now where Planner Be Spelled lives, and that just blows me away that it can be so hot here and winter over on the other side of the world. So she made a cute little winter spread in her big happy planner and used stickers from an Etsy shop. I think this is adorable. Okay, if you hear banging, it's because I'm getting doors right now and I just can't avoid the noise and I want to get this video filmed, so just bad timing. Anyway, this one from Only Organized My Planner is adorable. She used stickers from Planet Darby along with some scrapbook paper to just add some interest in there. And the daisies are just so very cute, and I love the color palette. It's just like neutral but with little pops of color here and there. It's very dainty and, dare I say, demure. This coffee spread from Miss Understeph is really fun. We have a bunch of different stuff here. I really like that washi tape across the middle in that coffee color. We even have Squidward on there enjoying some coffee. I think this is really fun. I like the scrapbook paper on the sides as well. Cute color palette. Robin L. Murphy is bringing in all the greens for this spread, and I love it. I love like all the flowers at the bottom. It goes around the side. And the addition of the girls in there, I just think they're fun standing on the boxes. A lot going on, but it's very feminine and very flowery. I love it. Sticker Pants Plans made a wonderful spread for like end of summer. I feel like the dark florals just are very end of August to me. Anyway, the stickers are from 𝘮𝘮𝘈𝘴𝘴𝘢𝘥, and it's from the Jewel Tone Florals sticker book. And it all kind of coordinates. I love that cranberry color. This Nurse Plans made such a pretty neutral floral spread in the dashboard layout using stickers from Amber Plans Her Day and 𝘮𝘮𝘈𝘴𝘴𝘢, and I think Mojo Jojo Plans as well. And this was a spread for her 4th wedding anniversary on the 19th of August. I think this is really sweet, and I like the crooked boxes over in all of the flowers on the left-hand side. It just is, it gives it a little bit of whimsy. The Blush in It sticker book is one of my favorites, and I love that Colleen Plans used an older sticker book here to decorate this spread for the last week of August. I love the pinks and blacks and the polka dots and that whole vibe. I think this is really cool. Lots of boxes on here, so very, very functional and just really pretty. So those were some great spreads. I have some talented patrons. The names on those pictures were their Instagram names, so be sure to give them a follow. If you like what you saw, you can also follow me on Instagram at planningwithbumble. The one I was most inspired by today was by Miss Understeph because she made that cute coffee spread, and I decided I hadn't done a coffee spread in a while, so I thought I would do one today. And I have the perfect sticker book for it, which is Wrong Wrong Coffee Queen 2. This is a really cute one. I feel like this is going to be easy and quick, and I really hope so because the contractor is installing my doors today. We got a little bit done yesterday. I'm working on it today. They'll be back next week, but they're on lunch break right now, so I don't know how long they're going to take for lunch. So like I want to try to get this done in like 10 minutes because when he comes back inside, he's going to be working on the closet in the room right next door. And I feel kind of awkward filming while they're right there next to me. And also it's gonna be loud. So let's do this quickly. This is such a great sticker book for a quick spread. So the checklist layout can sometimes be tricky to decorate. I've been getting better at it, but sometimes I cover up some lists, sometimes I don't. I think this time I will cover up a couple of lists. I saw these like layered box clusters, and I think they're really fun. I know I did just use this for a video recently, but I really liked it, and I wanted something in my own planner about coffee because you guys, I love coffee. I'm a coffee fiend. I am going to go ahead and cover up like a big chunk of this. just because I don't use all of the lists every week. Well, I don't have this to show you because it's a new month, but I haven't been using all of them. And I thought maybe I could cover up a few. So we're going to start with this. I know that's going right into the holes, but we're going to take care of that. That's a little crooked, but it's only my spread. So I think that it doesn't matter because it's my own and I'm okay with it a little bit crooked. This one, maybe we'll put right here. I know that's covering up a lot of the lists though. I just like the look of it, if I'm being honest. If I'm being honest, I really like the look of it, like next, because then it's like clusters in the middle. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And then if I need more lists, I'll have these other blocks to write in because I just think it's fun. And that's the only downside with the checklist layout is that if you wanna put design in the middle, it really limits you. And I know we have that situation. We're gonna deal with it. I have a white gel pen here, and I think what I'm gonna do, which is not ideal because I know it's a lot of them, but I'm just going to go ahead and cover this stuff up and hope it's not that noticeable on my spread overall. I could just take some white out. It would be quicker, like a correction tape, but I think you might see it more than this. I feel like the white pen, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but I feel like the white pen disguises stuff more than the white out. So I basically just use the white out for going under things. And I try to use this for anything else. I mean, it's not perfect, but it doesn't bother me that much. So let's leave it. If they come back in from lunch, I might have to do this video in 2 parts. But I'm late again this month with this video. It is the 30th. We only have one more day in August, and I like to try to get this out to them, for them, I should say, before the end of the month. And tomorrow I have a birthday party for my daughter. She just turned 30, so we're having her party tomorrow. So I don't think I'll be able to work tomorrow. So that leaves today, and that leaves the door guys, right? I guess I should have planned accordingly. In other words, kind of realized that, oh yeah, the door guys are coming this week. But to be honest, it kind of snuck up on me because they kept putting it off. And they told me one date and then it would turn out to be later. And then they would tell me again, it would turn out to be later. So it just worked out that all of a sudden they're like, we can come. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't film on my videos. Yikes. So what I'm doing here is just throwing stuff in and just, you know, sometimes it's okay to do that. Coffee, sleep, repeat. I'm just trying to be quick about it. And, you know, some spreads they can be quick and cute. I kind of like what I'm doing here with this. I usually don't like that like escalator or stairs look, but I'm kind of digging it right here for some reason. I don't really know why, but I kind of like it. Coffee, then life. Well, what if I put a couple of these on? Actually, maybe just one. Should I do it like this? Yeah. Let's see. Here's a little cute cup of coffee. It might be tea. Is it tea or coffee? I don't know. This is a coffee book. I'm assuming it's coffee, but it's cute because it's pink. I mean, I could just leave it like this. It's almost done, to be honest, but that is not what I usually do, but I could. Because I kind of don't want to put, like, I know I brought some boxes down here now. I don't know, because I was going to say I don't want to kind of go up here because then we've got an X situation, which I don't know if I like. Let's look over here. I love these cups. I think this is so cute. Let's pick a couple of cups to go in here. I like Rise and Shine. I think that's so cute. Let's put it in the sidebar. And then we'll put some smaller ones. Self-care, because it's been my self-care summer. Let's put, actually, let's move this pink coffee and put it somewhere else so that we can put this up here. I don't know why. I just thought, I guess because these are this color, so I wanted like some pink down here. So we'll put this in the corner. And then one other cup we'll put, how about Caffeine Queen? We'll put maybe right here, I guess. Let's see what else we have. It's looking a little random with those coffee cups. That's the only thing. We need a coffee on Monday. Who am I kidding? How about a big iced coffee on Monday? I know this does not go with the spread really, but it's big. Do you think that's enough for me? I don't know if that's enough. That's really big. Okay, well, also we have these lines here and I don't know, I might just leave them. I don't know, maybe. What about this one? It's just looking very sort of collage-y. I'm all right with that. So since I only have 2 lists, sometimes I've been bringing in like work lists into this planner. I'm not going to do that because I do have my planner I use for work. So what these lists will be, in fact, let's write it right now. It's basically just going to be like calls and emails, or like, I think I'm going to combine calls, emails, and like online things into one. So let's call it like admin, because sometimes I don't have enough phone calls to fill up a list. So that's going to be all sorts of like miscellaneous stuff, like call that doctor or fill out that paperwork, stuff like that. And then this will just be other. And that might include house stuff. It might include something else. I don't know. It might be errands. Actually, maybe we could put errands here. Oh my gosh, I just got cut off because I didn't put it on Do Not Disturb. And I got a spam call. Also, there's a fly flying around this room, which is so annoying. I tried to catch him, but he's one of those young flies, you know? He's really spry. He's a spry fly. Okay. Espresso yourself. Yes, please. I know I'm taking up a lot of room on these days. I just feel like it. You can't tell me what to do. If you did, I had already finished the spread, because if you comment, I'm not reading them right now because it's not posted. So there. Coffee Queen. Because we need another quote. Let's put it here. I have no rhyme nor reason for what I do. Okay, I mean, this is cute, but like, I know it's thrown together. I recognize that. So if you're going to leave a comment about how thrown together it is, just keep in mind, I understand that I was being quick in this, but also it just goes to show you not every spread has to be perfect and not every spread needs to take a long time. You can just throw the stickers down and it's going to look pretty cute. Like this one, maybe it needs a little something right there. I definitely want room to write though, in case I need it, right? So I don't want to put too much on, but I feel like to balance it out, maybe it needs another little sticker right there. And then I think we're going to call it a spread. Yeah. I mean, why not? Like, let's not overthink it every single week. Let's sometimes just throw the stickers down and call it a day. Especially if you have workers in your eating lunch in your driveway and they're about to come back in the door. Yikes. What do I want there? Because it's just, I don't know. I don't know why it's like slightly awkward. You know, it's a little awkward. If they were to come in and like walk in the room and I'm just like talking to myself, it's just a little awkward. All right. I think that's good, you guys. So don't forget to check out all of those patrons' Instagram and my own. And let's call it something. Let's call it quick. The workers are coming. That's what I do on our Patreon live streams. We do live stream plan with me's, and every title is like an inside joke that we talked about in the live stream. So at the end, we name it something. It might be completely unrelated to the spread, but we named it something. Like last time we were talking about, I don't even want to tell you because it's like Patreon stuff. I'm not saying that just to get you to join Patreon. I'm just saying like, I like to keep some things off YouTube so patrons get like more details about my life and stuff. So we were talking about something and named it something after that. So yeah. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.